Hey guys, welcome back. Let's connect with the method number two. Method two is that when you don't have a domain name or host name. So in this particular configuration, uh, we do have a domain name. Let's just remove that first. So I'll say IP domain name ccna.com. It's gone. Let's come back and I'll show you the IP for this machine. Show interface IP brief. Show, sorry, it's the other way around. You will see that this one is running on 10.1.100, and now let's try to configure it without a domain name. So we'll use the same command. We'll say configure terminal and we'll say crypto key generate, sorry, RSA. If I say enter, it will ask me a domain name. And since I've removed the domain name, and I don't, let's say I have a domain name and I've not registered it, or if I don't have an AD environment, there is still a way that you can configure SSH on this particular machine. So what you will say is that you will say label and you can give any name. Let's say I'll say CCL, and yeah, so it will again ask me the keys. Just make sure that if your keys are between number 360 to 767, then it's version 1, and 768 onwards it's version 2. So over here what I'll do is I'll just say um, let's say 600, yep, and it will just try to connect. Show IP SSH, and okay, it's 600. So that's why it is. But if you want, let's say I want version 2, so what you can do is that configure terminal. You will say the same command, CCL. It will ask that should I generate the keys again? You'll say yes. And now you can give a number, let's say 1000, which is more than 767. So ideally it should be enabling version 2. Let's come out and say show IP SSH, and it's still showing the wrong one, the old one I would say, not the wrong one. mm, let's see, let's run the command. It sometimes take time to reflect it. uh, I'll say yes, and if I say 2000, I'm just trying to figure out the version, if I can change it. It's still showing the old one. um, Let me just erase it. Crypto key zeros RSA. This will just erase everything. The keys. Thank you. Do show IP SSH. This will tell me create an RSA key. Thank you. Now I'll enable it. Label SSH. What version would you like? I'll say let's say 2048. Ideally this should enable version 2, and that's what I'm trying to do. Yeah, 199, that's fine. So over here you can see that it's enabled. Now, since that is done without a domain name, let's come here. Um, let's remove, this is my client machine, so let me just quickly remove. So I'll remove the domain name first on this machine. Sorry, no IP domain name ccna.com, and then I'll just remove the keys, which is crypto key 0 RSA. Thank you. It says it's already not there. So now when I try to access it by saying my username, which is user02, and then I'll say the IP address, it's asking me a password, which is 123, and I'm in. Thank you.